If we look at automation technology, there's a whole range of technologies to be deployed. We see process automation, we see implementation of robotics into operations, we see technology like Internet of Things, making equipment smarter, providing more information, more data, so we can do more, plan better, maintain better. So we see different ways of automating ports. If we look at conventional ports, completely manually driven, and at the other end of the spectrum we see completely robotized ports, where basically people are taking away from the hazardous situations. In the middle we have the range of what we call semi-automation, and there are different forms of semi-automation. What is nice about semi-automation is that you can cherry pick. You can take the pieces that are less risky, that are really proven, where the risk of disruption is less. And you still benefit from increased safety, potentially improved environmental burden on the society. Think of smart landing of containers, less lighting in your yard. If you electrify, less pollution, local pollution. But taking away people from cabin-oriented work to remote stations, where they can also work in a much more attractive environment, very important for today's people that come to work, is actually creating a much nicer work environment, not sitting alone for 8 hours behind a joystick operating a machine. So there are a lot of opportunities there for ports to implement certain pieces out of the automation portfolio, leading to semi-automated ports. So key focus is better working environment, increased safety, and as a result typically also more efficient operations. Because if you take people to the office, it takes also less time to bring them to the machines. So instead of a shift over of 45 minutes, you may have a shift over of 5 minutes. 40 minutes gained, 40 minutes more effective deployment of equipment.